Kimchi and weight loss, the surprising science behind this gut-friendly food. Did you know that one of Korea's most iconic foods, kimchi, could also help with weight loss? Recent research has revealed that this spicy, tangy dish isn't just a flavor-packed side, it might also be a powerful tool for managing body fat. In this video, we'll explore how kimchi works, the science behind its benefits, and practical tips for including it in your diet to help achieve your health goals. Let's start with the basics. Kimchi is a traditional Korean food made by fermenting vegetables, most commonly napier cabbage and radishes, with a mix of garlic, ginger, chili pepper, fish sauce, and other spices. This fermentation process produces probiotics, beneficial bacteria that are excellent for gut health. While kimchi has long been celebrated for its digestive benefits, its role in weight management is a newer discovery. What the research says. A recent study published in the Journal of Functional Foods investigated whether kimchi could help people lose weight. The researchers conducted a gold standard, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial to evaluate its effects. Here's what they found. Participants who consumed encapsulated kimchi powder daily for 12 weeks lost significantly more body fat compared to those who took a placebo. The study involved 90 individuals aged 20 to 65 with BMIs between 23 and 30. This range falls into the overweight category according to Korean health standards. Participants were split into 3 groups. One group consumed spontaneously fermented kimchi powder capsules, another consumed bacterially fermented kimchi powder capsules, and the third took placebo capsules containing lactose and kimchi flavoring. By the end of the study, both kimchi groups experienced significant weight loss, with an average of 1.32 pounds lost in the spontaneously fermented group and 1.96 pounds in the bacterially fermented group. Meanwhile, the placebo group gained an average of 2.56 pounds. But weight loss wasn't the only notable finding. The gut microbiomes of the kimchi groups also showed healthier bacterial diversity. How kimchi impacts the gut. The connection between kimchi and weight loss lies in its effects on the gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some of which play a critical role in digestion, immune function, and even metabolism. Fermented foods like kimchi introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut, increasing microbial diversity and promoting a healthy balance. In the study, researchers found that participants who consumed kimchi had higher levels of Akkermansia mucinifera, a bacterium associated with reduced inflammation, improved gut health, and better metabolic function. They also had lower levels of proteobacteria, which have been linked to obesity. These changes in the gut microbiome may explain why kimchi consumption led to weight loss and reduced fat mass. Fermented foods like kimchi also produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, during digestion. SCFAs, such as butyrate, are known to regulate appetite by sending satiety signals to the brain, helping you feel full and reducing overall calorie intake. Why kimchi is a low-calorie powerhouse. Kimchi is naturally low in calories, with just 22.5 calories per cup, making it an excellent choice for weight-conscious eaters. But its benefits go far beyond its calorie count. Kimchi is rich in dietary fiber, which supports digestion and contributes to feelings of fullness. The combination of fiber and probiotics makes it a powerful food for managing hunger and maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, the spices in kimchi, such as red chili peppers, contain capsaicin, a compound known to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. This adds another layer to kimchi's weight loss potential. Fresh kimchi versus encapsulated powder. The study used freeze-dried kimchi powder in capsule form, which raises the question, can fresh kimchi offer the same benefits? Experts believe it can. Freeze-drying preserves the live bacteria and nutrients in kimchi, but fresh kimchi also contains these beneficial compounds. Eating fresh kimchi as part of your meals could provide similar effects, while also adding variety and flavor to your diet. How to incorporate kimchi into your diet. If you're new to kimchi, there are countless ways to enjoy it. Here are some ideas. As a side dish. Serve kimchi alongside rice, noodles, or grilled proteins like chicken, beef, or tofu. In soups and stews. Add kimchi to soups and stews for a tangy, spicy kick. Kimchi jjigae, a Korean stew, is a popular option. As a condiment. Use kimchi as a topping for burgers, sandwiches, or tacos. It pairs especially well with eggs and avocado. In salads and bowls. Mix kimchi into grain bowls, salads, or wraps for a burst of flavor. Creative pairings. Experiment by adding kimchi to pizzas, dumplings, or even stir-fried noodles. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various cuisines. Start small if you're unsure about the taste. Kimchi has a bold flavor that can take some getting used to, but many people find it addictive once they've tried it a few times. Are there any downsides? While kimchi is generally healthy, it's worth noting that it can be high in sodium due to the salt used in fermentation. If you're on a low-sodium diet, look for low-salt kimchi options or enjoy it in moderation. Some people may also find fermented foods difficult to digest initially, but this usually improves as the gut adapts. What science says about probiotics and weight loss. The findings of the kimchi study align with broader research on probiotics and weight management. Studies have shown that people with a healthy, diverse gut microbiome are more likely to maintain a healthy weight. Probiotics, like those found in kimchi, may help by improving the body's ability to metabolize fat and regulate hunger hormones. Additionally, gut health is linked to inflammation. Chronic inflammation can interfere with weight loss, and a healthy gut microbiome may reduce inflammation, creating a more favorable environment for shedding pounds. The bigger picture. Lifestyle and kimchi. While kimchi can be a helpful addition to your weight loss journey, it's not a magic solution. Weight management requires a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and other lifestyle factors. Think of kimchi as one piece of the puzzle, a flavorful and nutritious food that supports your overall efforts. Incorporating kimchi into a balanced diet can amplify its benefits. Pair it with whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables to create satisfying, nutrient-rich meals. Takeaway. Kimchi's role as a gut-friendly, weight-loss-promoting food is supported by science, but it's also incredibly versatile and delicious. Whether you're looking to improve your gut health, manage your weight, or simply try something new, kimchi is worth adding to your meals. Start small, experiment with recipes, and enjoy the journey to better health, one spicy bite at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might love learning about the benefits of kimchi. Let us know in the comments how you like to eat kimchi, or if you're planning to try it for the first time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.